Perched elegantly against the shimmering backdrop of the Caribbean Sea, the Hard Rock Hotel Cancun isn't just another resort. It's an iconic haven of luxury. Infused with the spirit of rock and roll, this hotel promises a stay that echoes with unforgettable moments, exudes the rhythm of the legendary Hard Rock brand, and showcases a beautiful mesh of coastal beauty with vibrant energy. From the instant you step onto the resort, the Hard Rock Hotel Cancun sweeps you into a world of glamour and excitement. Staff greet guests with warm smiles, ensuring a seamless transition into vacation mode. The accommodations, masterpieces in their own right, fuse modern aesthetics with tropical sophistication. Each room and suite not only offers vistas of the vast ocean or serene lagoon, but also pays tribute to the music universe with carefully curated memorabilia. The resort is an open book of stories, waiting for guests to read every page. The world-renowned rock spa registered not only offers treatments, but immerses visitors in a holistic oasis of rejuvenation. For younger guests, the Hard Rock Rock City Kids Club trademark isn't merely a play space, it's where future rock stars are born, ensuring they revel in every moment of their stay. Every facility, every corner, holds a promise of adventure or relaxation, always set against the vibrant backdrop of Cancun's culture. Dive into a realm of aquatic luxury at the resort's expansive pool area. It's not just about swimming, it's about basking in an atmosphere of utter relaxation. While the swim-up bar offers refreshing concoctions, the soothing background melodies transform a simple swim into a rhythmic dance. Strategically placed loungers and the warm Mexican sun invite guests for a languid day of unwinding by the poolside. Where the sand meets the sea, the private beach stands as a testament to nature's artistry. Soft golden sands beckon, while the dance of the turquoise waves creates a symphony of relaxation. The cabanas, each a private sanctuary, offer uninterrupted views of the horizon. For those looking to dive into adventure, water sports offer an adrenaline rush, while tranquil beach walks promise serenity. Epicurean delights are at the heart of the Hard Rock Hotel Cancun experience. With an array of restaurants, every taste bud is set on a gastronomic adventure. Whether it's the bold flavors of Mexico at Frida, the rich tastes of Italy at Chow, or the fusion of global cuisines at other in-house eateries, dining transcends a mere meal. Paired with atmospheric settings ranging from beachfront casual to intimate elegance, it's a sensory delight unlike any other. Nightfall brings a crescendo of entertainment at Hard Rock Hotel Cancun. As the stars light up the sky, live music, world-class performances, and immersive theme nights ensure every evening is unforgettable. And for guests itching to steal the limelight, the renowned Music Lab provides the platform to live out rock star dreams, ensuring that every stay is punctuated with pulsating energy. A symphony of luxury, music, and coastal splendor, the Hard Rock Hotel Cancun promises an experience that goes beyond mere accommodation. Every detail, every note, every flavor seeks to create a melodious memory that guests will cherish. When you're here, you're not just visiting, you're part of a legacy. Dive in and let the rhythm take over. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.